Plastic is een veelbesproken materiaal dat helaas nooit vergaat als het eenmaal in het milieu terechtkomt. Het breekt af tot kleine deeltjes die overal te vinden zijn. In het water, op het land en in de lucht. Dit zorgt dan ook voor de nodige problemen voor mens en dier. Gelukkig zijn er veel bedrijven die zich daarvoor inzetten en zoeken naar manieren om plastic afval tegen te gaan. Igus, fabrikant van hoogwaardige polymeren voor beweging, is hier een goed voorbeeld van. Technische kunststoffen die voornamelijk in de industrie gebruikt worden, kunnen een bijdrage leveren aan de bescherming van grondstoffen en het milieu. Zowel tijdens hun productie, het gebruik als het einde van hun levensduur. We spreken met Marcus Nork om hier meer over te leren.
In order to reduce plastic waste, it needs individual and collective efforts. As a company, to produce plastics, it is important for us to also contribute in a sustainable usage. There are three main aspects. One is the technology of the products. Two, technology of production. And three, end-of-life recycling. For products, it's to improve technology. For the production, it is important to reuse all the material into the product, which means everything which is not getting into the product is then brought back into the production cycle. And three, very important nowadays, is the end-of-life recycling. If a product is reaching end of life, they will bring it back to recycling and keep its value because it still has a material value. Technical plastics can be recycled similar to household plastics. Technical plastics need also to be separated, shredded. Sometimes we have metal elements inside which have to be also separated in the process. Afterwards they get washed and regranulated. One aspect though is to bring the plastics into the recycling process. And it sounds easy, but it's often not. A platform was initiated to have an easy process where companies and end users can send back the materials at the end of life and that the recycling process can start. What kind of products can be made out of recycled plastics? Obviously it can vary a lot, from energy chains for car washing or bearings for the door hinges. But also with a change platform, also not technical plastics can be made. For instance, this crank here for the bicycle industry.
Er is al veel mogelijk met plastic recycling en er wordt ook al veel gedaan. Een nieuwe stap op dit gebied is een fiets die bijna volledig bestaat uit gerecycled plastic. Sven ter Hart legt ons uit hoe dit mogelijk is.
This bicycle is entirely made out of plastic. The fork, wheel, frame will be from recycled material. All other parts at the moment they are from virgin material. But we are also testing, for example, in the cranks if we can do it from our e-chain material, which is looking at the moment pretty good. We are testing everything. The seat post, for example, is still from metal, as you can see. But at the moment we are having our first try how we can make it from plastic. If the first try is not working, we will try the second try or the third try. If it works, then we will implement it into the bicycle and afterward then into the full bicycle market. This bike is a great alternative to the regular bike because this bike is sustainable. Most of the parts will be from recycled plastic and all parts except from the saddle will be made in Cologne. That gives the opportunity to be completely supply chain independent and gives you as a customer the opportunity that your parts are not shipped from all over the world. They are here made in Cologne. This will save CO2.